Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you on a walk through the neighborhood of La Esmeralda from Avenida Juan Pablo Duarte as our starting place. And as you'll be able to see, the Hospital Union Medica is right across the way. But the Plaza Internacional is where we will begin, and that is located again on Avenida Juan Pablo de Duarte, and we are going to be turning down Calle Ponce just to show you a few more apartment home option buildings that are going up or in existence in yet another of the very nice neighborhoods that we suggested on our past video of neighborhoods to think about in Santiago. You see the Plaza Internacional, and in there is Anthony's, that's the large clothing store. There are jewelry stores, pharmacies, a pretty nice sized food court, and Banco Popular. But the Gold Gym and the cinema are currently closed. Now this neighborhood, La Esmeralda, is centrally located to literally anything that you would want to access easily. It kind of is nestled kind of in between the neighborhoods of Cerro de Gurabo and alongside the neighborhood of Villa Olga, where you can find many salons, restaurants, coffee shops, grocery stores, and your basic shopping like Casa Cuesta. Now Eric's done a really great job of kind of zooming in, or at least you can pause and get all the information to contact and names so that you guys can contact the facilities and see how much they're going for. Or we also have an affiliate with a realtor in Santiago who would be happy to see if there is any rental properties if you're not interested in purchasing and are looking for rentals in some of these existing or going to be newly built apartments by the time you guys decide to relocate to the Dominican Republic. So let's keep walking down Calle Ponce and show you what Santiago has to offer. Definitely worth mentioning that a lot of these new residencies and existing residencies have been either under construction in the last year or two or are under construction currently in this area because of its beautiful natural landscape. As you walk through, you see the trees and the well-manicured streets, and its proximity to businesses make it a real gem in Santiago. So as we've shown you, La Esmeralda might be the neighborhood that you might consider when you're deciding on that relocation move to Santiago. There's plenty of new construction, existing construction, and beauty all around to consider. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Always make sure to hit that subscribe. Make sure to hit notifications. Give this and all videos a thumbs up because it's a free and easy way to patron the channel by hitting that subscribe and thumbs up. And all information is always underneath the videos if you'd like to consult with us on what neighborhood you're considering.